लोकसभा वेंचणुके खातीर आम आदमी पक्षाचो दक्षिण गोंयचो उमेदवार एल्वीस गोमसान बेरेस्तारा मुरगांव मतदारसंघात प्रचाराक सुरवात केल्या। बेरेस्तारा मुरगांवान गेल्लो तेन्ना एल्वीस गोमसान पालिका वाठार, बाजार आनी वास्कोच्या घरांक भेट दिवन आपणाक मतदान करपाची विनवणी केली। वास्कोन प्रचार करतना ताच्या फाटल्यान नगरपालिका वाठार आनी हेर कडल्यान व्हडा प्रमाणात कार्यकर्ते एल्वीसाक मतदान करपा खातीर घोशणा दिताले। एल्वीस सरकारी नोकरेन आशिल्लो तेन्ना तांणी मुरगांव पालिकेचो मुख्य अधिकारी म्हूण काम केलां। ताका मुरगांवची परिस्थिती खबर आसा। मुरगांव तालुको गोंयचें एक म्हत्वाचें शार आसा आनी मुरगांवान जी उदरगत जावपाक जाय आसली तशी जाल्ली ना। जायत्या लोकांचे प्रश्न आसात अशें एल्वीस म्हणटा। तशेंच 13 तारखेक मडगांवां अरविंद केजरीवालाची सभा जावपाची आसा अशेंय सांगलें।
So many people have come out. See, the entire municipality has come out there. They know whom to vote this time. People are fed up. Contalale are look. So people are waiting for a change. That's why I get such tremendous response in Vasco. And Vasco is like my second home.
What issues you will take in for Mormugao especially?
Mormugao is, I always consider Mormugao requires the maximum attention. It is one of the most important towns in Goa, but neglected. Everybody who comes gets elected neglects this place. And I know the pulse of Vasco. Definitely, I will bring about a change.
Any specific issues?
Specific, so many issues. Infrastructure issues are there. Your pollution issues are there. What issues are not there in Vasco? Vasco is actually the hub of people. You see, this is a melting pot of so many communities. But what they get in return, nothing. I know 100% Vasco needs attention, and it will get all its attention from us.
Any big meetings in Vasco you can?
Vasco, I am not very sure, but 13th we are having a meeting in Margaon. So as Mr. Kejriwal comes, definitely we will try and meet people here also.